Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And somebody sent me an email how they could get some text to go around in an ellipse or a circle, and that the first letter and the last letter would be just the same space apart as all the other letters. So I've just measured from there to there, and I got 0.59 of an inch. Well, you need to know how long your ellipse is. This is a 12-inch ellipse. If you convert it to a curve, which I've already done, and then go to Windows and Dockers and go to Properties, the item you're clicked on, and then hit right here to Curves. The curve is 37.7040. So I took 37.70440 minus 0.59 is 3711,440. Then I made my text that number, 37.114. Let's get rid of this right now. Let's get rid of our measurement. We don't need it anymore. And then you just do a simple text to curve. So text fit to path, or text to path, and then hit it on the line. And that way, it's a pretty ingenious way to do something if you don't have a complete sentence. I don't know if it's 100% accurate, but it's about as close as you can get. And you, like this looks like it's a little bit further apart than maybe the other spaces, but you could always go to your shape tool and make it a little bit longer if you wanted to, kind of adjust that. But I think it's pretty good as it is. So that's one way you could do it. You could just do it with the shape tool. But if you want to know, if you have your text written out and you need to know how long your ellipse should be, because that doesn't really play into effect, because you can change this path, make it smaller, and the letters will equally go down as small. I truly hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.